And?
I was just going to say, just to practice some self-talk with you going forward regarding the first thing that I presented, I feel like it would be helpful to practice some self-talk around it.
We like that.
It would be something like, I am grateful that I have the awareness to know what I don't want, because it is helping me achieve the clarity that I really am tuning towards.
That's good.
Is that
I know what I don't want, and therefore I know what I do want, and I like that. And?
Yeah, just to even take that deeper,
Yes,
I realize
let's do
this specific feeling is here to allow a further expansion to be born.
This feeling is here as an indicator of where I stand in relationship to my desire. The emotion that I feel in every moment is an indicator of my connection or resistance to my connection. And oh boy, do I like my guidance system, because it lets me make these incremental adjustments that I want to make, because as I make these incremental adjustments, they become permanent knowing. I just shift my state of being in the world. I shift my point of attraction. More?
The only other thing is that I have the...
Well, we meant more comments.
More comments.
More deliberately pointing yourself in the direction of your alignment.
I'm already starting to feel release in that place of the body. I'm already starting to feel more attuned to who I really am. Already starting to feel less fear and less intensity about the emotion.
Because you're in resonance with who you are and what you know. And so it's softening. So now milk that a little. Say some things that confirm that. This wasn't as difficult as I had formerly thought. And with just a little bit of conversation, I've really come into alignment with who I really am. And the same place where the music flows from is flowing this feeling. The feeling is coming from the same place that the music comes from. And it was a very incremental adjustment for me, because I hover around there, really close to there. I feel more in control of my vibration than I have in a while.
Right. I wasn't as far away as I thought I was.
Perfect.
Right.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I never am. I never am that far away.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a thought or a series of thoughts away. But a thought that goes this way and then this way and this way and this way and this way and this way keeps you the same distance away. But thoughts that feel this way and this way and this way and this way and this way, pretty soon you close the gap, as you have. And so now, can you find that first question that you came here to discuss? Can you even find it?
Not in the same way.
So if you can find a piece of it, we're happy to hear it.
The piece of it is just that the question was related to...
You're having a hard time, aren't you? Because you're in a different vibrational place.
Yeah, 100%.
If you don't feel the urge to keep going back and asking that question, or even ask a question that a lot of people are asking because it no longer applies to you, then you don't lose your resonance. You stay in that steady place, and oh, what comes next?
Love you, Abraham.
Yeah, really good. Really good. Really good.